there, everybody. This is a video of my Millie cook stove with a warming oven that I purchased from Grills and Ovens back in October. There was a bit of a delay in getting it only because the warming oven was delayed getting here from Italy, but it finally arrived and we loaded it into the house and I started firing it up about 2 weeks ago. Ran it through its paces with small fires to get it seasoned, and just in time for the cold snap when the temperature dropped down to about 0, a little bit below. I was able to fire it up and really warm the house up. It's been great. So today is a busy day. It's Christmas Eve and I am making food for our Zoom potluck, and I'm very happy with how the Millie is working out. This is great. So let's just take a look. Let's see what's on the stove here. I've got my chicken that's fried up in the pan. Got my mole sauce warming up, the peppers. I'm going to put those all together and then bake them in the oven. Here's the firebox. Nice hot maple fire in there. And the warming oven is just up to about 400 degrees. That's the temperature I want it at. So I am going to shut down the air a little bit and keep that temperature nice and steady at 400. I've been very happy with how that works out. And get everything into the oven. So in the warming oven, I've got my pans to put the mole in. And here we go. Mole sauce is going to go in here. And the chicken. Sort of working out how to work with the space still, but I'm really happy with how much space there is. And here goes the chicken, and the mole, and more sauce. There we go. And peppers on top. And into the oven we go. Ooh, that is nice and hot. Thanks, Millie.